Luminous, the trusted name in premium car care, proudly unveils its latest advancement in vehicle protection, Phantom PPF. Engineered for detailers, designed for perfection, this new paint protection film delivers the ultimate blend of strength, beauty, and innovation. Discover what makes Phantom PPF the professional's choice for premium paint defense. At the heart of Phantom PPF is high-grade TPU, a thermoplastic polyurethane film developed for superior durability, clarity, and flexibility. It conforms seamlessly to every curve of your customer's vehicles, shielding the paint from road damage while enhancing its natural brilliance. Measuring 1.52 meters in width and 15 meters in length, Phantom PPF offers generous coverage for the most vulnerable parts of your vehicle, including hoods, bumpers, side mirrors, and door edges. For optimal results, Luminous recommends professional installation and regular maintenance with pH-neutral products. With a 5-year limited warranty, Phantom PPF gives you peace of mind with every installation. Our network of professionals can rely on consistent performance, backed by Luminous's unwavering support and dedication to quality. Phantom PPF is more than just a protective layer. It's intelligent armor. It heals itself from light scratches with heat. It resists yellowing from UV exposure. It blocks damage from gravel and sand. It shrugs off harsh chemicals and daily grime. And it amplifies your paint's gloss without altering its original color. Luminous is more than a product. It's a partner in your business journey. With premium products, expert support, free samples, and a global presence, we're helping professionals stand out in a competitive industry, whether you're a car care center, installer, or distributor. Join our growing global network of certified professionals and enhance your service offerings with the power of Luminous behind you.